Yo, what is going on, everybody? This video isn't going to be edited or whatever. I wanted to go over quick. It is late. We're looking at this posted by Melvin Capital. Okay, so you can see this. Melvin Capital founder Gabe Plotkin in a letter to investors says, "I am sorry, I got this one wrong. I made a mistake. I apologize." After exploring a plan last week that would return capital to clients and then reopen the fund. Full letter. So you have integrity is a fundamental value at our firm. My grandfather Melvin, after whom our firm is named, lived by the highest ethical standards, and he imparted those values to me. There is sufficient interest and critical mass to move forward with the plan laid out in last week's letter. That's now completely irrelevant to me at this time. Our go-forward structure needs to be about partnership and principle. We are taking the next 2 to 3 weeks to process the input we have received from all of our investors, and we will come back with a more balanced proposal that better aligns our collective interests. I try to teach my kids that everyone makes mistakes, but ultimately it is about how you handle them. Accountably is critical. I got this wrong, and I apologize to each of you. So, guys, pretty much what you're seeing here, and we're going to read the next page, is Gabe Plotkin, the founder of Melvin Capital, right, is saying, we were going to return funds to everybody who invested in the company, but guess what? We shorted GameStop in January. We fucked up, and we apologize to each of you. And now you have page 2, okay? This says, to our fellow partners, I am sorry I got this one wrong. I made a mistake. I apologize. As we noted in our letter last week, we tried to balance several objectives when determining a path forward. Our focus was on getting back to a size at which we could again generate industry-leading returns for our investors while retaining the team we have built over a decade. After exploratory conversations with several investors in which we had received positive feedback, we decided to move forward with the approach of our we outlined in our letter. In hindsight, and despite our intentions, we recognize now that we focused on future returns and team continuity without sufficient consideration of your investment losses. We appreciate how difficult January 2021 was for all of you, aka them shorting GameStop and losing all the investors' money, and our pain that we have not acknowledged this enough. After numerous conversations with our investors on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it is clear to me that I was initially tone deaf. I especially want to thank our day one investors for their candid thoughts. Some of you feel that we were not being a good partner. Upon reflection, you are right. So Melvin Capital admitted anyone who invested in their company, they lost money in January 2021 due to how the company was investing. It was selfish. It was stupid. And guess what? NSCC 008 may or may not be trying to prevent this, right? Trying to prevent mistakes being able to happen by larger firms and people. And now you have Twitter. So Twitter re-examines Elon Musk's bid and may be more receptive to a deal, as per Wall Street Journal, reportedly to meet with Elon to discuss. Okay. This is it, guys. I just wanted to go over these 2 things before Monday. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is small, this is tiny, and if you want the full update on Melvin and everything like that, the video for this overall week and how AMC is expected to go for me and a lot of other stocks was posted on Friday night, so you guys can go see that. Make sure to watch that before market open as well. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.